What to do about a dead school community? I grew my own community from 0 members to 1.7K members, and that ranked top 5 in its category. And I've also helped loads of other people revive their own dead communities. And I've been on the platform for 2 years. This is like my first thing is this is like a tech support telling you to check if the device is on or not. And that is, are you actually posting in your own community? Like, are you actually active? That's step one. Now, let's say you get active. The way you want to get active is you don't want to write these novel course type posts because no one wants to sit there and respond back to that. It's really difficult, right? When you read a blog, you don't, like, bloggers don't have that many comments, right? So you're going to ask more questions about what they're doing, even what they're doing around your niche, what they're doing in general. Just basically open up the space. And then if the community is still dead, that's completely okay. You can go to the all-time leaderboard because these are the people that kind of loved your community. If you go to the 30-time leaderboard, there may be some people in there too. Either one is fine. Probably message all of them and ask them for their support. What this is doing is bringing in other people that will actually engage with your community. And this way, the reason they're going to engage more is because they feel more connected to you because they basically built a relationship with somebody, right? It's like, just ask them for the favor. And then if all of that still goes terribly, you should just start another Skool community. That's perfectly fine. And then just post about it. You might get some dead members going to the other one. Oh, also, definitely use your email posts. Email posts are amazing and include some sort of loom so that people have to come back to school. Okay, bye.